My name is Rohit. I am studying UKG. APP, LG, Apple, BALL, ball, CAT, cat, DOG, dog, LEPHANT, elephant, FIS, fish, GOAT, goat, HAT, hat, INK, ink, JG, jug, KITE, kite, LIO, lion, MANGO, mango, NEST, nuts, OWL, owl, PEN, pen, QUEN, queen, RAT, rat, SUN, sun, TAP, tap, UMBRELL, umbrella, VAN, van, WELL, well, XMAS, Xmas, YAK, yak, ZGB, zebra.
Good. Claps.
Thank you.